remove text from an image in Photoshop, you basically have two options. If the text is on a plain background with no special patterns, then simply select the lasso tool and roughly outline your text. Now you can click on Edit and choose Fill. Once you press OK, Photoshop is trying to fill your selection with the textures around it. But in many cases, the technique mentioned above is not working and looks weird. So the second option is to do it by hand. To do so, first select the Clone Stamp tool. Now adjust the size and hardness. I would recommend using a pretty low hardness. Afterwards, press the Alt key and select the texture you want to paint on your text. Choose one as near as possible to your text. Now stop pressing the Alt key and carefully start painting over your text. Once it gets weird, simply press again the Alt key and select a new texture. Hopefully this helps, and if you need additional information or tips and tricks, then check the description below. Good luck!